The Audi RSQ8 is effectively the Lamborghini Urus in Audi's clothing, but why doesn't it sound like a Lamborghini? Well, we're going to change that and we're going to fit a titanium Akrapovic exhaust system. Wait to hear what this thing sounds like.
They try to take it, I'm getting it back. And if they hit me, they gotta get taxed. I'm making hit after hit after hit, and I promise you, boy, every one of them slapped.
So, as you heard, an Akrapovic system is going on this Audi RSQ8. But a bit of a backstory, this actually got collected from the Channel Islands only just on the weekend gone. So it's already covered a few miles by sea to get to us. Fortunately, we're next to the port, so not a long journey. This, however, is not just any Audi RSQ8, it is an urban automotive edition. So you can immediately see these great big carbon fibre bits. But if I bring you over to the bench, I'll show you the really important and impressive part that we'll be installing over the next couple of days. And that is this absolute beauty of an exhaust system made by the guys over at Akrapovic. So this is a titanium system. Effectively, we'll be replacing all the way back from the GPF to the tips. And before I talk too much about the exhaust itself, stay tuned until the end, because that's when we're going to do the rev before and after and give you guys a bit more of an idea of what it actually sounds like. So stay tuned to that. So to talk a little bit about this system, as mentioned, it's a full titanium piece of kit, and yeah, it's just stunning. These guys make exhaust better than anyone else. And okay, I said it, shoot me. They are better than anyone else. They just finish everything to levels that you wouldn't see with many other companies, even down to the carbon fibre tips. And funny enough, the actual display stand behind is the same style tip that we've got here. And it's a very unique design where we've got this almost rifle drilled finish on the top here with these recesses. And the bit that I really like is details like this. Looks like you've got to remove before flight. Really cool. So as said, this is a GPF back system, so it's still going to remain completely MOT compliant. Obviously there's a big silencer in the middle, but it's got some very trick valve in operation on this compared to a lot of other systems. So on the right here, we've got Akrapovic's control unit. So this effectively will tap into, and when I say tap, it uses a sniffer, so you don't actually splice into any wiring, but it connects into the Audi OEM system, and they very cleverly have come up with their own ways that the valves should operate in different engine modes. And why you think that might be important or not is because depending on load, revs, RPM, is they can cut out any drone that you might get by replacing the middle resonators, which is actually quite an important thing. So they can make it loud, but at the same time it's not annoying. So we're really interested to see what this is going to sound like. We've also got a button fob coming for this particular system, which means when you're in comfort mode, you can still make it loud. So you don't always have to stick in RS1 or RS2, which is a bit hard going for most people. So enough about me talking about this system. You're now going to watch it get fitted on the car. We're going to get it over to the ramps behind us because it's a little bit tight on the headroom here in the workshop. And we'll get this one installed. So stay tuned to the end and you're going to hear some rev before and afters, but I can't wait. This thing's going to be biblical.
Try to take it, I'm getting it back. And if they hit me, they gotta get taxed. I'm making hit after hit after hit, and I promise you, boy, every one of them slap. Hop on a verse and I body it quick. They never work and it's why we don't mix. I don't got time for the fake, and I swear that I'll always say real, something they never did. Oh, they saying that I'm up next. I told them that I'm up now. Promise I came for the next. I'm needing honeys on honeys, cause that's what I'm worth. Show me the finish, I'm getting it first. Show me the best and that's me and my worst. I need that money, I'm getting it now. I'm at the top but I started way down. I told them hundreds of times that I'm really done waiting. I swear that I came for the crown. You should go ahead and write over. I was in a 4, leveled up to the Rover. Feeling like Blake, I'ma put him on a poster. I don't really play when it come to my checks. I've been in the gym so you know I gotta flex. If I shoot a shot then it's gonna be a wet dog. I'm coming for these meals, I ain't taking no less. Yeah, I ain't really taking no less. Now they tryna send me that text. I ain't hit them back, they stress. I'm needing honeys on honeys, cause that's what I'm worth. Show me the finish, I'm getting it first. Show me the best and that's me and my worst. I need that money, I'm getting it now. I'm at the top but I started way down. I told them hundreds of times that I'm really done waiting. I swear that I came for the crown.
So the Akrapovic system is now installed, and well, first off, it looks absolutely amazing. So if you see down at the tailpipe section, we've got these matte carbon tips shrouded by a titanium insert, and obviously it goes nicely with the rest of the system that is full titanium. The upside of Akrapovic is its OEM fitment. There's no messing around with clamps or anything like that. It is so straightforward to fit, and they give such amazing instructions. So really is a pleasure to fit these systems. We absolutely love seeing them in, and they sound amazing too, which if you hang fire for a few seconds, you'll hear the exhaust clips coming up of the before and after. So that's all done and dusted, an amazing product. But I do want to show you one other thing, and that's this sound kit. And effectively, this little button that I've got in my hand means I can turn or open the valves on demand. So if I press it, you can see when it goes red, it opens the valves. When it goes white, it closes the valves. And as it's red, the valves are now open. So it means when I'm in the comfort mode, or the custom or like, he can then give it full beans on the noise, but doesn't have to have the harsh suspension. It still means you can use your original buttons on the steering wheel. So if you want to use that and put in RS1 or RS2, it still overrides that if you want. So you just have the option to effectively open the valves when you want to, not just when the car wants to in the special sports mode. So we've enjoyed this installation. It's been absolutely amazing. Big thanks to the customer for letting us install this as well. It's been awesome. See the video clips now. Let's make this thing raw, and we'll see you guys next time.
Take it, I'm getting it back. And if they hit me, they gotta get taxed. I'm making hit after hit after hit, and I promise you, boy, every one of them slap. Hop on a verse and I body it quick. They never work, and it's why we don't mix. I don't got time for the faking. I swear that I always say real, something they never did.